Hey my beautiful people! Welcome back to my channel. If you're dreaming of that perfect summer glow up, with glowing skin, shiny hair, a healthy body, and positive energy, then this video is just for you. So grab a notebook and let's get into these super easy and affordable summer glow up tips. This video includes skincare, hair care, nail care, fashion and health. Let's start. 1. Skincare. First things first, your skin needs extra love in the summer. Taking care of your skin isn't about using 100 products. It's about understanding your skin and giving it what it needs. Face wash. Use a gentle face wash suitable for your skin type. The first step? Clean your face with a good, gentle cleanser. It wakes up your skin and clears out all the dirt and oil. Just massage it softly for a few seconds and rinse. After cleansing, apply a light moisturizer to keep your skin soft and hydrated. It helps lock in moisture and makes your skin feel smooth all day. Sun protection. Never skip sunscreen during the day. If you want to try the ice bowl method for your summer glow up, it's super simple and very effective. Take a clean bowl and fill it with cold water. Add a handful of ice cubes into the bowl. The water will turn icy cold. Now simply dip your face into the bowl for a few seconds. This sudden coolness tightens your pores, reduces puffiness, and instantly refreshes your skin. Lips care. In summer, your lips need extra care because of heat and dehydration. Simple kitchen remedies can work like magic. Keep your lips moisturized with coconut oil or aloe vera gel to prevent dryness. Gently scrub your lips twice a week using sugar and honey to remove dead skin. Apply beetroot juice on your lips for a natural pink tint. Consistency is key. One day won't change your skin. Stick to it daily. 2. Hair care. In summer, your hair needs extra love. Oiling it once or twice a week really helps to keep it soft and nourished. Don't shampoo daily because too much washing can make your hair dry and frizzy. Go for a mild shampoo and always follow up with a conditioner or a good DIY hair mask. If you're stepping out in strong sunlight, cover your hair with a scarf or a cap to protect it from sun damage. Also, regular trims are important to get rid of split ends and make your hair look fresh and healthy. Try to avoid heat styling tools as much as possible. Let your hair breathe and air dry naturally. 3. Fashion. Summer fashion is all about feeling light, fresh, and comfortable. Go for breathable fabrics like cotton or linen. They keep you cool even on the hottest days. Light colors like white, pastels, and soft pinks give that perfect summer vibe and also reflect the heat. Loose and flowy outfits like maxi dresses, oversized shirts, or wide leg pants feel super airy and stylish. For footwear, comfy sandals, sliders, or sneakers are always a good idea, and of course, don't forget your sunglasses and cute accessories like hats or minimal jewelry adds a soft, elegant touch without looking overdone. A simple gold chain, tiny hoops, or a single charm bracelet can instantly lift your outfit. It gives you that effortless glow, making your look polished but still natural and light, perfect for summer. 4. Nail care. Keep your nails clean and dry to avoid infections. Trim your nails regularly and file them in one direction to prevent breakage. Don't bite or peel your nails, it makes them uneven and damaged. Don't cut them too much. DIY nail strengthening mask. 1 teaspoon olive oil. 1 teaspoon honey. Few drops of lemon juice. Mix and apply on nails for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse. 5. Health. Stay hydrated all day with plenty of water and fresh juices. Eat light, fresh, and seasonal foods like fruits and salads. Sleep well to help your body recover from the heat. Listen to your body. Rest if you feel dizzy or tired. Mindset. Remember, glowing isn't just physical. Your energy matters too. Practice positive affirmations every morning. Read a book. Let go of negative thoughts and focus on self-love. So beauties, that was your full summer glow up guide. Glow from the inside out, stay hydrated, stay happy, and remember, confidence is the real glow. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty and self-love content. See you in the next video.